Welcome to Intellify. Chemistry is a branch of science which deals with atoms, molecules, compounds, and the reactions taking place between them. While learning about chemistry, you would have certainly come across terms like acid and base. Acids and bases are an integral part of our everyday life. Starting from bathing soaps we use to the citrus fruits like orange, lemon, etc. we consume. Some of you might find it difficult to distinguish between them. So, to understand them, we first need to know their individual properties. Let's see what acids are and how their properties differ from base. The word acid derived from the Latin word acids or acre, which means sour. An acid is the chemical substance that accepts electrons and donates hydrogen ions or protons. Most acids containing hydrogen bonded atoms dissociate to give cation and anion in the water. Acidity of substance is measured by the presence of some hydrogen ions, which means higher concentration the hydrogen ions, higher is the acidity, and the lower the pH of the solution. Acidity is measured on a pH meter scale of 1 to 7, where 7 being neutral. Examples of acids are hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, carbonic acid, etc. Properties of acids. Corrosive in nature. Acids conduct electricity, that is, they are electrolytes. Has pH less than 7. Turns a blue litmus paper into red. Reacts with metals to produce hydrogen gas. Reacts with base to produce salt and water. Reacts with carbonates to form carbon dioxide, water and salt. Sour in taste, dissociate the hydrogen ions when dissolved in water. Base on the other hand donates electrons and accept hydrogen ions or protons. Bases are chemicals which are opposite to an acid. As in water, the role of the base is to reduce the concentration of hydronium ion, while acid acts in increasing the concentration. Although it is seen that some strong acids serve as bases too. Bases are measured between on a pH scale ranging from 7 to 14. However, there is a lot of confusion between bases and alkalis. Many bases do not dissolve in water, but if a base dissolves in water, it is called an alkali. When in an aqueous solution, a base reacts with an acid and the solution becomes neutral, this phenomena is called neutralization reaction. The examples of bases are ammonium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, etc. Properties of a base. Just like acids, base too is corrosive in nature. Has pH value greater than 7. Turns red litmus paper into blue. Frothy in feel or slippery when touched. Reacts with acids to produce salt and water. Bases are bitter in taste. Many soluble bases contain hydroxyl ions. Key differences between acid and base. According to Arrhenius' concept, acid is a substance which when dissolved in water increases the concentration of hydrogen ions, whereas the base is the substance which when dissolved in water increases the concentration of hydroxyl ions. On the other hand, Bronsted-Lowry concept says that acids are the proton donor while the base accepts the proton. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and do subscribe our channel for more such videos. Till then, learn with Intellify.